the next one, we're gonna make the Italian pizza using rice paper. I'm gonna use this guy here, tomato paste, as the base. And it's starting to form up and I don't want that. I want this to, okay. I'm adding an egg. For each pizza, I'm gonna add an egg because eggs just help glue everything together. So again, just like with the Asian, I'm just gonna mix the tomato paste and the egg pretty well together. Francie had a good question for me offline. Can you mix all of this first before you start going and add that into the rice paper? Yes, you can, Francine, but I find this method more efficient because if you mix it beforehand, you're gonna get a very well mixture batter. But when you pour it into the rice paper, it won't stick because it's the rice paper is really thin. Anything that you pour over pretty quickly, it's gonna moisten up it's gonna make the rice paper wet and it won't turn into a pizza. And I want this to be a pizza and not a spring roll. So with the Italian pizza, we are making the Italian, right? Just want to make sure.
Yes.
The Italian, I'm gonna add in mushroom. I'm gonna add olives. What are these guys here? Red bell pepper. The roasted red bell pepper.
Red things.
Did the Italian ever use chopstick?
I don't think so.
But you know what? Because I'm the rice paper lady, I'm gonna use chopstick.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to add the prosciutto for me.
Prosciutto.
So whatever meat that you have in your fridge is fine. I just happen to have prosciutto because
We like
is
prosciutto.
that Italian?
I don't know if it's Italian, but it's maybe.
It's not Asian.
It is very nice.
Yes, goes really good with if you wrap that around honeydew or cantaloupe and a glass of wine. You have yourself one happy
mother.
one happy rice paper lady. So there you go.
I think that's good, yeah? Or more.
Yep. You know, I was gonna go into the pantry and grab some of the herbs, the Italian herbs.
Sure.
I have some herbs in there and I forgot to pull it out.
Chives
Italian
seasoning.
Yes. No. Yeah. Perfect Italian seasoning because this is Italian.
Indeed.
Ooh, it smells really good. What is this? Oh, it is Italian seasoning. It smells so good. Okay. Go ahead and add cheese.
Okay.
I showed you how to add cheese earlier. Do you remember how to do that?
Huzzah.
Huzzah. So constantly press it down. Again, the rice paper is really thin, so it's not thick like bread, your typical pizza bread. So it's gonna form up and fold if you don't constantly stand here and press it down. You want that to be pressed down. It's up to you. This is going to be your pizza.
Why? That we're going to share.
Okay.
Share all for one mother.
Okay, so are you happy with this?
Yes.
I'm going to add, because I am the rice paper lady, I'm adding a little bit of pepper, and then because I just like things spicy, I'm adding, what is this, sriracha.
Yes.
I know Italian have their own spicy sauce, but I don't have that. Oh, this looks really good. Very excited. And then I'm gonna garnish it with, you know what, we need something green. So what I'm gonna do is put some arugula. I have it in my fridge. I'll do that offline, but you guys have arugula or anything green that you have at home. I'm going to turn off the heat. Let me grab arugula real quick because I like arugula. Francine, can you move that out? Oh my goodness, doesn't that look good, Francine?
Mm-hmm.
Arugula on top of pizza.
The arugula.
Oh my god, I love arugula. Ooh! Transfer that over a plate carefully. I want to show our guests what our second pizza looked like. And then I'm going to wipe this off. We're going to make a third one, which is the veggie option.
Yum, yum.
Okay. Do you want to keep